Personally, for me, I like to think कि मेरी जो है time management की skill इतनी अच्छी नहीं है.
हो सकता है you wake up one day and you have a to-do list of 20 things. Realistically sit down and single out your top 3 to 5 things in that list. Like, it's the discipline to not slack off, but also not overwork yourself, because हम वहाँ पे मार खा जाते हैं. We're like, oh, I'll do tomorrow's work today as well.
When we are working with local clients, explaining them that this thing would work well for them, right? How can we convince the client?
You do try once to speak to your client that, this is what you're saying, but in my opinion, as a creative, this is the best thing for you. This isn't going to look good on paper.
जो Alight Pin का project अभी आप लोगों ने किया है, how do you convince them to go so experimental?
Like, what value are they going to see in this? And so that's when the conversation started. Oh, wait, you're right. And I was like, don't you want people to actually talk about the event after it's happened? And the experience is something people aren't going to be able to replicate. So that thing is basically how we pitched it to them.
And what are some of the apps that you use like on regular basis? Like I happen to be watching a lot of people like in their creative process, and like they are doing their thing, they're taking notes, they're drawing their mood boards and stuff, and I get really drawn to that just by seeing that how they are actually managing their process.
Firstly, Notion is like my entire second brain.
Okay, yeah, that's something I'm trying to establish upon for myself.
It's how I track like time zones and stuff. Because the cool thing is that these are different time zones, but if you slide it'll go forward the like same amount of hours across each time zone.
What do you advise for people who are confused between starting to freelance or doing a job like traditionally?
They have the job because they have a dependency on them. If you don't have that yet, utilize it. We're all blessed in different ways in our life. And we need to use those things to the best of our ability. So if it's in your cards to not have to take the responsibility of doing a full-time job right now, utilize it. Utilize the hell out of it. Because the skill and the experiences are what kind of differentiate you and push you forward at the end of the day. There are a lot of Facebook mom boards inside me today. I don't know why. But anyone who's good at what they do, who's successful, didn't get there by not trying new things. They didn't get there by not, taking risks, is all I'll say.